Hello Java developer and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talking about something very confusing in Java, which is ArrayList and the linked list. What is the difference between them and where we can use them and which one is better to use. So let's get started. ArrayList, it's a part of a Java collection framework. ArrayList is a resizable array implement. It's provided fast access to element using indexes. Linked list, also a part of the collections framework. Linked list is a double linked list. It is implementation. It's offer efficient element insertion and remove. Key different. Internal structure. Array list use a dynamic array. Linked list use a double linked list. Memory allocation. Array list allocated a contiguous block of memory, while linked list allocated memory for each element individually. Performance. Access. Array list offer faster element access and retrieval. Linked list provide quick add and remove operation. Now, the question is when we use each. Array list, it's ideal for scenario with frequent read operations. Use when you need to access element by their index. Linked list, stable for applications require frequent addition and removal of element. Preferred when you don't need to access element sequentially. Time complexity analysis. Array list get operation O of 1, constant time. Add and remove operation O of n, linear time due to potential resize and shifting element. Linked list get operation O of n, linear time and as it is traverses the list. Add remove operation O of 1, constant time if the reference to the node is already known. Okay, here an example of the linked list vs the array list. So as we can see, both of them, they are implemented the list interface, and we already having videos that explain the array list and the linked list. If you don't watch them, go and watch them. And we can see, like, if we need to add an element, here is all the credit to the array list. So if we need to add an element, so here is the credit for the linked list. It's very fast to adding an element. And if we need to retrieve an element, all the credit is go for the array list. So in conclusion, choosing between array list and linked list depend on the application specification needs. Array list is your go-to for quick read operation, which is meaning if you are retrieving something from database and you are retrieving something like very big, here we recommend using array list, while linked list is kind of very fast thing in adding. So if we need to add something between two elements, adding something in the middle, adding something in that, here we can use linked list. Now you know the difference between the array list and the linked list, and where we can use the array list and where we can use the linked list. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one.